Okay, let's go and look at these two questions here. It's trigonometry we're going to deal with here. For 5.3.1, we need to prove, of course, the two questions, we need to prove left hand side equals to right hand side. But we need to remember the compound angles to can do so. Let's have a look at the first one. I'll just write number 1 here. We're going to prove left hand side, which is sine of a plus b minus sine of a minus b. We need to prove it that it's equal, it's gonna be equals to this one. All right, so let's have a look. We're going to use our formula sheet to expand sine of a plus b, which in this case it's gonna be sine of a cos b plus cos a sine b minus into sine of a cos b minus cos a sine b. Having this, then we can we can take out the brackets here by multiplying in -1. That we're going to get sine a cos b plus cos a sine b minus sine a cos b plus cos a sine b. We can see that this will have to cancel this one, and we are left with 2 cos a sine b, which was exactly that we were asked to prove, right? So we can write, therefore left hand side equals to right hand side. As for the second one, we'll need to prove that, okay, the left hand side we'll need to prove that sine 77 minus sine 43 equals to this one equals to the right hand side, which is sine 70. So to do so we can change this using this fact here. We'll have to change sine 77 to sine 60 plus 17. That will be your a plus b minus your a minus b as sine of 60 minus 17. So you can see that having got the first one there, The second one will be easier because you're going to use the fact that sine A plus B minus sine A minus B, you're going to make sure that this becomes that, all right? So it's so important that you understand the first question before you can go for the second one. So let's go and expand here. We're going to get because already we've done that. Let's go and write this fact here, that we're going to get 2 cos A, we know it's 60, sine B, we know B is 17. Okay, so from there quickly will be 2 of half sine 17, and we know 2 times half is 1. Then the answer will be sine 17. So left hand side definitely equals to right hand side. So what was important here was for you to understand how to do the first one. Having done the first one, then the second one, we just use that fact that okay, a a a is the same as 60, B it's 17. So having got this, we just go and apply that here, that cos 2 cos B, 2 cos A is the same as 2 cos 60. Sine 17 is the sine B is the same as sine 17. So that is it. I believe you would have followed nicely. Wherever you are, you will understand exactly what you're supposed to do. So that was very, very easy. Okay, do enjoy wherever you are, and if you have more questions, don't be afraid to get back to me. Then I could help you out just like that. Okay, so thanks very much for joining this one. See you next time. Sharp.